Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Turner speaking. I know you can't see me, but don't worry, you'll see me again soon. So today's activity is Little Scientists, and we all know what that means, don't we? That's right, we get to do experiments. Now children, you must remember to tell your grown-ups something very important. Experiments mean, can you remember? That's right. It means sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But that's what all the fun's about, trying to find out which experiments work. So today's experiment is all about rainbows, because I thought rainbows are very special at the moment. So as you can see, I've got my plate, I've got my Skittles, and here they are all spread out. So what we're going to do is we're going to very carefully choose our colours and we're going to pop them all around the edge of our plate. And it doesn't matter what order you do them in, so don't worry. Sometimes people like to do all the yellows together or all the reds, and other times people just want to make it beautiful and colourful. So it's totally up to you, children. You choose whatever you'd like to. So Mrs. Turner's going all the way round. You know, red is my favourite flavour and colour. I wonder what flavour you like best, or what your favourite colour is. So there we go. Do you think I'm ready? Oh, not quite. Say, you're missing one. There we go. So I've got them round the edge. They're just about touching. So I'm going to pop another one in there. I think that's right. So the next part of our experiment is really easy. We're going to get a cup of warm water. And we're going to tip it in the middle of our plate and just make sure that the water is spread all around. Now, Mrs. Turner's water is warm, and that might help. So if you want to be very careful and ask your grown-up maybe if they could get you some warm water, it might make your experiment work. So this is the part, children, remember, when we have to wait and see what happens. Can anyone see what's happening already? Let's watch. Look carefully. Remember, with our experiments, they can take a little time. So we're going to sit and we're going to watch. Miss Turner's just going to put some water on that one. There we go. And look what's happening. All the Skittles are losing their colour. The colour is coming into the water. And slowly but surely, it's making a rainbow shape, look. We have to sit very nicely and watch. So you might have to help your grown-ups to sit still for a little time. You have to tell them that's exactly what you do at nursery. So we're just going to give it a little bit of a wiggle, 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 just to help us along. But remember, when we've done this before, if we shake and wiggle it too much, the colours change, don't they? So look, how exciting. Now, Mrs. Turner actually made one earlier. So I'm going to show you what my one looks like. Because when I did mine earlier, I put all the colours together. Can you see? So I put all my red ones. What colour are these? That's right, purple and green and yellow and orange. And look, you can see what's happened. They've made a rainbow. And if you turn your Skittle over, look, they're now not rainbow Skittles. They're clear, they're white Skittles. And there we go. So our experiment did work. So we can do a thumbs up and say, you're fantastic. And if you're really good, you may be able to eat some of the Skittles that are left. But children, don't worry. if your grown-ups don't have any Skittles in the house this week, maybe they could get them for next week when they do their next shop. Or even still, maybe you could find something else in your house that would make rainbow patterns. Anyway, children, that's it for this week. I hope you have fun, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.